Are you ready to take control of your life and achieve your fitness goals? I'm here to help you get started on your journey to a healthier, happier you. I know it can be tough to get started when you're first starting out. But I want you to know that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. You don't have to be a super athlete to get started. Just take it one step at a time. There are so many benefits to exercise. It can help you lose weight, improve your mood, reduce stress, and boost your energy levels. It can also help you sleep better and live longer. I know that sometimes it can be hard to find the motivation to get up and go to the gym. But I want you to remember that you are worth it. You deserve to feel good about yourself. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start moving. You won't regret it. Don't let anything stop you from achieving your dreams. You are strong, capable, and beautiful. You can do anything you set your mind to. You are amazing. I believe in you.